Hello there, I'm David Flatman and I'm here to show you my Land Rover 110. The finished article is here. Been using it all summer down here in South Devon, not far from Exmoor Trim HQ. As it happens, it's been hammered and it's performed brilliantly, but it wasn't always like this. So I thought we might rewind a couple of months, go back to the workshop and have a look at the process. We'll show you around it a bit. It's not quite finished, but it's getting there. Dave is basically doing all the work on my old Land Rover, but I come along every now and again, make some aggressive decisions, try and take some credit. The three most expensive bits: new bulkhead, new chassis, full paint. Luckily, as I said to my wife, they're the three things we're not going to have to do. Anyway, done them all. Done all of those. We agreed on the TD5 is because this car will chug about. I want it to just start and work and be reliable and, being honest, easily fixable when it breaks. New tyres and wheels, they're on order, they're coming. Some of the little Exmoor bits was things like these hinges, and they're cool, aren't they? But they're also good.
Yes, they are really nice. They look good, but they fit properly, they're smooth, they're nice. They've got bushes, so they're not likely to wear like the standard one, which is just metal on metal. They should last a lifetime.
We've got the tan vinyl benches in the back. Now, I wasn't quite aware that we'll be able to, I thought it was going to be one bench each side and that would have been all right, but actually we've got room for 46 kids in here. And they fold up if we want to, and there's lovely straps and all that, but I've broken it. Yeah, leave that there, Dave. Leave that with me, mate. This is a car that will be immaculate when it drives out of here, and realistically that will be the last time it's ever immaculate. And this will be full of sand and dog poo and bodyboards. There is a thought that you do these things to make it better for resale eventually, but the plan is the house will go before this goes. Or the kids. I've got 4 kids and you just don't need 4 kids, so I will happy to let 1 or 2 of them go. Right, should we fit a seat? This is me unboxing and unbagging the tan seat. I definitely wanted the effectively the bench seat across the front with the centre seat. Right, don't drop it. Oh yeah. I can fit this easily because I know exactly what to do. That is perfect for my arse, perfect for the dog's arse, and perfect for a Chinese takeaway. Right, that is amazing. Look at that. How nice is that? Love it. Right, and that's the boss. I know that much. Take the washers off. Oh yeah. Thought we'd go on a little road trip to a very pretty spot where hopefully the Land Rover will look even nicer. Slapton Sands, not far, quarter of an hour from where we are now. I didn't do this car to show off to anyone. Like, I genuinely don't care if no one else likes it. I did something that ticks every box I wanted ticked. I've never done it to get attention from other people, but this car, as it happens, has got more attention from members of the public than any car I've ever had. Makes journeys, special occasions, and this is my favourite ever car, like by a mile. And even if it was hammering with rain, and you say to the kids, do you want to take the new one? And they say, no, I want to take the blue one. The future of this car is very simple. It kind of gets given to my kids in 300 years when I eventually die. But I want them to drive it. I would have loved that when I was 18, but this car should be sticking around for life. That's the idea.